Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing the Boxycharm unboxing for July. I've had my box for a while now and I've been waiting to use it. I know it's been a while since I've filmed a video, and actually my previous video that I uploaded is the June unboxing for Boxycharm. So it has been a while since I filmed, but that's because I have been improving my filming setup. I just recently got a new camera. I'm still trying to play with the settings and all that, but I'm hoping the quality looks so much better. Enough about that. Let's get into what I have in my July Boxycharm. So as you can see, I already have my foundation on and my concealer and my powder. I am going to finish off the rest of my makeup on camera. I will have what I'm wearing on my face down below if you are interested. And here is what this month's Boxycharm looks like. Every month has a theme. So this month is road tripping. So it's like a road trip box of things you can take with you when you go on a road trip or something like that. So the first product that I have coming out of my box, it is the Dr. BRANDT No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I just realized that I didn't get to use this right now. I forgot to apply this before I applied my concealer. I'm really bummed out about it, but I have tried this before and it does work really well. It really does work for depuffing your under eye bags. I love using this in the morning before I go to work. It feels really nice under the eyes and it feels very cooling. And this retails for $42. $42. And the box itself is $21. Crazy. So the next product that I have here is the Crown Brush FUEGO eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $29.99. So in this month's box, you either got the eyeshadow palette or you got the Tarte setting spray. I got the eyeshadow palette and I'm actually really happy that I got this. I've heard of Crown brushes before, but I've never tried their brand. This is what the palette looks like. I saw a picture of this before I got the box, and it looked just like a regular size eyeshadow palette, but you guys, this thing is huge. It's a big eyeshadow palette and the pans are ginormous. So this is what the palette looks like. It's so beautiful. This is right up my alley and I'm really excited to try this palette and try out the formula and all of that. Besides me loving the huge pans in here, I love that there's a mirror in here as well. So first I'm going to start off with this shade right here. None of the shades in here have names, so this is just a light brown transition shade. I'm going to stick that right in my crease. Now I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which is a burnt orange dark brown shade, and I'm going to again stick that right in the crease. I'm using my Morphe M441 brush. Fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend it all out. Now I'm going to pick up this brown shade. It's more of a red toned brown, and I'm going to stick this right in the crease to deepen it up. This orange toned brown shade again, and sticking that in the crease just to help that shade blend out a little bit better. I'm going to grab a little bit of my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I am going to do a half cut crease. Guys, these shimmery shades are so beautiful. I barely dipped my fingers in there and look at how pigmented they are. And they're so vibrant and shimmery. I do not know what shade I want to go in with for the rest of my eyelid. So pretty. I don't know. Are you serious? Look at how beautiful. Alright, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Just a beautiful bronzy brown shade. And I'm going to apply this right on top of where I put that concealer. I think I'm actually going to grab my finger and apply it, just because I feel like they apply best with your finger. I'm going to pick up some of this shade as well with my finger again. And I'm going to put that right in the center. For the inner part of my eye, I'm going to take this peachy shimmer shade. Not in the tear duct because I am going to use another shade. I'm just putting that in the inner part of my eyelid. Now I'm going to pick up some of this shade and I'm going to apply that right in the crease. Now I'm going to take the deepest shade in the palette. Now I'm going to stick that again in the outer part of my eyelid, just to deepen it up a little bit more. Apply some eyeliner. I received in this month's box is a mascara, and this is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and this retails for $24. When I first saw this, I actually thought it was a lip product. It looks like a tube of lipstick. I have a few lip glosses and lipsticks that actually look like this, so I thought it was a lip product, but no, it's a mascara. So here is what the wand looks like. So I am going to use this mascara today. On. It's okay. It's not the greatest mascara out there, and it does retail for $24. I don't know if it's worth $24. I definitely have $7 mascaras that work a lot better than this, but for it being in this month's box, it's not horrible. I am going to apply my Miss 3D Silk lashes in M302s. I always talk about how much I love my M301 lashes. Those are amazing, but these are a little bit more on the dramatic side, so I am going to apply these today. I'm going to apply the orangey brown shade, and I'm going to apply this right on my lower lash line. Apply this shade again on my lower lashes, just to deepen it up. Now I'm going to apply some of this dark bronzy shade, and I'm going to apply that only in the inner part of my lower lash line, so right here. Now I'm going to apply a nude eyeliner pencil to my waterline. Now I'm going to pick up this light goldy pearl shade, and now I'm going to apply this right in the inner corner just to highlight it. The next product I received in this month's box is the Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream, and this is in the shade Taupe, and this retails for $26. I'm really excited to try this out because you open it up, and on one side there's an angled brush. Here is the angled brush, and over here you have the little pomade. It doesn't look like there's a lot of product in here, so for $26 I don't really think it's worth it just by looking about how much product is in here. So I just grabbed the product from here and dip my brush in there. apply a little bit of my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the shade Taupe, just in the inner part of my brow to fill it in. I'm gonna bronze up a little bit, so I am gonna take my Rimmel Maxi Bronzer in the shade 02. Take this middle shade right here, and I'm actually going to use this to contour my nose just a little bit. I always have to contour my nose, not to make it smaller. I like to give my nose a little bit more structure to it, if that makes any sense. My very natural makeup days, I won't contour my nose, but when I do have something a little bit more dramatic going on, I do like to contour it a little bit. The last product I received in this month's box is the No Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade 05 Desert Rose, and this retails for $11.99. It's so pretty. It's the perfect orangey rose shade. It does lift up, and it comes with a brush. And it's a nice little brush. It's perfect for on the go, but I won't use it to apply my blush today. It is seriously so pretty. It's like the perfect shade, and it's gonna look so beautiful with this eye look. Calm down now. Let me see if I can apply a highlighter from the palette. Honestly, the only light shade in the palette is this one, and it looks a little bit too light to be a highlighter, but I will apply this on my nose to see how it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and take this shade from the Crown Brushes palette, and I'm going to use it as a highlighter. I did apply it on my nose already, but I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. Hopefully it's not too light, but I'm just going to go with it. For lips today, I'm going to start off with the Ulta Beauty lip liner in the shade Spice. My lip color, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Uno Mas. It's a beautiful peachy nude shade. This is the finished makeup look. I really enjoyed trying out each and every product that I got in July's Boxycharm. Now I am going to give you a little bit of an overview of what I think of each product and what products were my favorite and what products I really didn't care for that much. And I am going to start off by telling you what my favorite product that I got in this month's box is. And that is the Note blush in the shade 05 Desert Rose. I just fell in love with this blush. Honestly, I would have thought I would have loved the eyeshadow palette more or the eye depuffing gel more, but honestly this blush just takes the cake for me. I could definitely see myself wearing this blush more often. A beautiful peachy blush. It's so pigmented, and honestly you just need a little bit of this to get the perfect amount of blush on your face. I kind of applied a little bit too much because I didn't know how pigmented this was, and honestly you guys, a little bit goes a long way with this blush. My second favorite product from this month's box is the Crown Fuego eyeshadow palette. It's just a gorgeous warm tone palette. These kind of shades are definitely me. I love warm tone shades. I do have other eyeshadow palettes that look a lot like this. This looks a lot like the Tarte Toasted eyeshadow palette and the Naked Heat palette. But I really enjoyed trying this formula out, and I will say some shades are a little bit more pigmented than others. The metallic shades in here are absolutely stunning. They feel so creamy and they're just so pigmented. Ugh, I love the shimmery shades in here. Some of the matte shades are a little bit powdery and you do have a little bit of fallout, but the lighter shades you have zero powder, zero fallout. The darker shades are where I noticed that you get the most fallout. It's a really, really nice eyeshadow palette, and I'm really happy that I own it. I can definitely see me using this palette more often as well. Now my third favorite is the Cella Eyebrow Cream. I will say the thing that I don't like about this is that I feel like there's not that much product in here. I feel like I'm going to use this up really quick if I do use this every day. But I love the color of this eyebrow cream. It's a taupe shade, but honestly it's a little bit dark for it to be a taupe shade. It matches my brows perfectly, which I'm really happy about. I love the concept of this. You can definitely stick this in your purse to touch up or anything like that. You get the brush on one side and you get the product in the other. No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt I do enjoy. I didn't use it today. I do like it for depuffing your under eyes. It does work. I have tried it before. I've tried it before going to work and stuff, and that's when I have the most baggage under my eyes is in the morning, and it does really, really work. So I do like this. The only thing is that it's a little bit on the thick side, and it's a little bit hard to squeeze out of the tube, but other than that, really do enjoy this depuffing gel. And my least favorite product that I got in this month's box is actually the mascara. I love the packaging. It's super cute, and I will continue to use this until I run out of it. It's not the worst mascara, but for the price, I do believe this retails for $24, and honestly, I don't think it's worth the $24. I've definitely tried $7 mascaras that I like a lot better than this, but I don't know. I just feel like it did do the work. It did. I like to use mascara just to blend in my natural lashes with my false lashes, but I really didn't see that much length in my lashes, and it's a very thin consistency. It's not a thick mascara, which is nice for like your very minimal makeup days, but I wanted something, you know, fast, and I feel like you have to work with this a little bit more if you do want a full lash look for your eyes. So I do love the packaging. I did like the product, and I will continue to use it until I finish it, but it's not the best mascara in the world. So that's it. Those are my thoughts for this month's Boxycharm. I really enjoyed trying out everything in July's box. If you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, it is $21 a month, and it's always over $100 value. So this box in particular, I did do the math, and it's $134, and you only pay $21. But if you want to start collecting makeup and you don't really like shopping for makeup, or you really don't know what to buy but you want to start collecting it and you want to try out different products, I definitely think Boxycharm is the subscription box for you. I am paying out of my own money to get these boxes every month, and honestly it's so worth it. If you are interested in signing up, I'll have the link down below, and just follow that link and you can sign up and put all your info so you can start getting your monthly boxes. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'll have all that listed down below for you, so you can go follow me on there. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.